You're welcome. In this video, let us understand how to make college student attendance system. So in this project, we want to enter the attendance from the admin side. On the other side, a student can able to view the his total attendance. So this is a ASP.NET C# project, and this project will be useful for two category. So one is for the CS students, other for the job aspirants. So if you are a CS student doing BCA, BSc, BE course, and you all know like you're supposed to do a project. In that case, we have a different titles. In this is a one title. For a mini project, I think it's very suitable. So if you are a job aspirant and you're looking for the job and you want to get a good job with a salary range of $3,000 around $80,000 per year, for a job, definitely it's a tough thing because there are n number of students already there who have completed the graduations, and to get into the job, you require a good experience. In order to gain the experience, you should know the subject very well. You should know like how to do the programming. That is what important. So therefore, what we suggest is watch any of our videos and start doing this project your own. Learn the skills required for this. Once your project is ready in your system, definitely you can demonstrate this. Therefore, that will give you much more mileage than just simply go for attend the interviews. Therefore, if you are seriously looking for jobs, so try our projects and then learn all the things which is required for to make the complete the project. Now let us discuss about why this project, what are the advantage of this project, and how do you use this particular project. So why you selected this project? Because anyway, when you do online project, you're supposed to select your own project title. So here is attendance system. So you can enter the attendance from the admin side and the student can able to view it. So therefore student should know like what is his total attendance. So based on that, he can pay the exam fee and all. That way this purpose will be served. And this kind of projects will be useful for every colleges. So therefore it give a good scope. The scope is quite wide. So therefore, if you know like how to do this project, definitely you can do a project for the individual colleges. So therefore, scope is very good because there are huge number of colleges outside. And next thing is what are the advantages of online? All will applicable here also. So now you want to know that your attendance, so you don't need to go to college or to notice board to see like what is your attendance. You can always log into this website and you can able to view the attendance. So this is the main advantage you are getting from this particular project. So apart from this, we are using ASP.NET technology. We should know like how to use the ASP.NET with C# language, the language, and the backend is a SQL Server, and how to use a SQL Server. All will understand this. So these are the things will give a good mileage. And once you know like C# language, then it's easy for you to build the web applications using the ASP.NET technology. And here we're using Microsoft Visual Studio 2019, and we're using ASP.NET technology as we discussed already. And here is a C# language with backend Microsoft SQL Server. So in this project, so in this project, we want to show that student attendance. Therefore, it will have two modules. So one is the admin module for college, another one is a student module. So whereas admin can log in, he'll go to main page. So here in the main page, they can put what are the courses are available, course details. They can enter the course details here. Then subject details, what are the subjects are available in each course. So student can sign up. So because we already given him a register number, based on that they can sign up. Then they can log in and they can view the attendance. So on the other side, admin can put the attendance entry. So whatever you enter, so it will be filtered to the particular student and will be shown over here. So then the complete student list, overall the student, that list will be there. So it's a small project, and let's understand like how to make this project in a ASP.NET. So here we open the project in Visual Studio 2019. This is a community edition, so it's a free edition you can download from the Microsoft website. And we have a separate video like how to install Visual Studio 2019. Please watch that video if you're not yet installed the Visual Studio 2019. So next here you can see that this is admin main page. So these are the options we can do in the admin main. So course detail we can see the list, student subject detail we can see the list. student approval, then you can see the student list, attendance entry, and we can see the list. Okay, these are the options which you can do it in the admin. And as the student is concerned, student can log in, then you can go to main page. This is the student main page. So here you can see the subject, you can see your personal details, you can see the attendance, and in case you want, you can change the password. So these are the options which are provided to the student. So now if you go to the first page, there is a default.axpx. This is the page, and here in the top there is a picture, and then there is one more picture here, and here is a link. Okay, so this is the image button. So for link we can use so many controls here. Like one is hyperlink, you can use image button, then you can use link button, you can use button. So all this can be utilized for the linking purpose. So when I click this button, it will go to site main page. So this is a site main page.axpx. And when you go to source here, so you can see that this all automatically generated. So we don't need to write all these things code, because in ASP.NET, once you design the page using the controls, the HTML code automatically generates. So only thing is we need to write the C# code wherever is necessary. For example, if I take admin page, so admin login page, so here is admin login page, right? So when you enter the user ID and password and you click the login button, so here we return the C# code to check who logs in and whether their credentials are correct. If the credentials are correct, then only we'll allow to enter to the main page or go to the main page. So here we add up two imports. One is using system.data.sql client, another one system.windows.forms. Okay, so SQL client is very important, because in order to work with Microsoft SQL Server, you require this library. Therefore, you need to use that library. And here is the connection string. And we have separate video like how to get the connection string. Please watch that video. And so once you click the button, so after entering the user ID and password, when you click the button, so here is the code to check whether this particular user ID and password is present in this particular database. If this is present, then you say dr.read. So it read means if there is a record, then we'll send to the admin main page.xpx. So we are open the connection. Probably you can close the connections here. conn.close. Sorry. Right. So this we can put it over here. So before sending to other page, we need to close the connection. So let it be there here. So otherwise, if it comes here, then we'll close the connection over there. So therefore, we can add up. Okay, right. So this is the code to check the login. Next thing is, like, if you want to save the record, how do we do that? So here is the course page. You enter the course name, details, and the semesters. When I click the save button here, so here is the code. This code will check whether you already enter the record or not. If it's already entered, so no need to enter it again. Therefore, the message box will be shown. If not entered, again we'll insert into the this particular table. That is a course names tab. So for that, we're going to insert the record. Fine. So we have a separate videos for each one, like how to insert data, how to modify, how to delete. So please watch that videos also. I'll show the link at the end actually. So let's run the project now. So here is the run button, IIS Express. So we'll take to the main page first. Take out the last page. And here is the main page. Okay. So the main page, you can add up more pictures, background pictures, all possible. Watch the previous video where we have completely designed the web pages. So for that will help you. And here is the link. Go to the next page. Okay, click here. So it will take to the next page. So in this page, you can see that for student and the admins, two separate logins are provided. So let's log into admin. So okay, the server is running now. So login. So here is the admin. So then you can click login. So it logs in now. So here is the course list. So what are the courses already there? So diploma in mechanical, diploma in. So two already entered here. So you want one more, you can enter the course details. So next is the subject list. So what are the subjects is there in the each course is entered here. So if you have multiple, naturally there is definitely multiple subjects, that all we can enter it over there. So I go there here. So diploma mechanical, first semester, subject name, let's say drawing. So subject name is a drawing, or I'll take drawing first. So this is the first semester. So save. So the record is saved. Right. So now we have the one more subject. So now what I'll do is I'll copy the main address. Then I'll go to one more tab. I'll paste it here. So you'll come to the main page again. So here you can go to student sign up, and we need to sign up here. Okay. So if we go to list, you can see that there is one student here in the diploma in mechanical. So let me enter one more student. Okay. So list number, let's say 1008. And what password you want, you can take the password and you retype the password. So this is the validation. So we'll check whether you enter the correct password or not. Let's say Jasmine, then address, so email ID, then you have mobile number here. Fine. So diploma in mechanical is a course, and this is the first semester. And here is the option to enter the. You can upload the photo. So for that, I'll go to D drive. I'll choose the photo here. So sign up. So photo uploaded successfully, and the sign up is done. Okay, fine. So now it is done. So now from the admin side, we can able to view this student approval. So you can see that this is a new student is signed up. I can click on this to select this, and you can refresh the list. So now that list is removed because now you are approved the student. So next we go to attendance entry, and here we'll select the register number 108 and total number of classes. So totally 120 classes, and she attended 110. So we'll summarize and we can enter the data. So on the other side, now student can log in here. So this is 1008, right? So now we can see subject details. What are the subjects are there in each course? Your personal details not displaying. Okay. So view the attendance. Let me check. So here why is not displaying? Because the reason is we need to initialize the variable here. So this is application level variable, and we need to pass this. Okay. So in the login it is missing, so therefore it not able to display it over there. So now we are passing. Then the student display should transfer to this one, and also in the personal details, student details. Here also let me check it out. Yeah, fine, it is there here. So let me save this. Okay, now it should work. So let's go to view attendance. So now you can see that the course name, register number. So total is 120. So what is code? That is 110 is there here. So same you can also see the personal details. Okay. So here you can see that all the details are displaying here. So these are the things is required. So even small mistake like, okay, so where we forget to put when you log in, we are not initialize that, we are not passing the value to the application variable. So definitely the result will not come. So therefore everything should be taken care and such a way that you need to write the program. So we could able to get the result. So knowing ASP.NET with C# Long is very, very important. So if you're not learned till now, so please learn that first. So how to write the programming, then you have to make the project. So we have just different videos in our channel. So please watch the videos and also please suggest to your friends if somebody want to do projects in it may be VB.NET, it may be C#, ASP.NET, JSP, Python. So most of the projects are available over here. So just search for Highblix tutorials in YouTube. You will get this. Click on videos and then you can see that we have ASP.NET projects, we have PHP projects, we have Python projects, we have VB.NET projects. And here you can see that how to install Visual Studio. So whenever you free, please go through the channel and then browse all the videos. You can also learn Python here. We have provided huge number of VB.NET projects. So students who are doing BCA, BSc need to do VB.NET projects. So please suggest them. So if you have friends, relatives, so suggest this channel to them, so therefore they'll definitely get the benefit. So hope you understand the concept, and if you have any doubt, please write it in the comment box, and also please subscribe to our channel. So here is a subscribe button, and then if the number of subscribers increases, definitely we can provide you much more better content. Okay, thank you.